Hiccup? Hiccup? Taylor.
You're making a good jump. You can have this piece.
Taylor. Hiccup? 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 Taylor, do you want to feed the doggy? Here, look. Look, Taylor. Bear. Feed the doggy.
Oh, both of them got some. Babe, you know you're teaching her bad manners.
Don't feed the doggy. Don't ever see. I just showed you that so that you'll never do it again. Hiccup? Taylor.
Babe, look how dirty her toes are.
Taylor. 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 Hiccup? Do you have the hiccups? Do you want a bite? Do you want a bite?
Bear?
Mashed potatoes and asparagus? Good girl! Hiccup? Don't spit your food.